above a truck. Me and YSL, we V-Lone thugs. I be geeking off the motherfucking drugs. Call my hater just to go hit 'em up. Talking shit, I do not give a fuck.
Alright, so y'all know, it's motherfucking hot as fuck, you feel me? Niggas is going to the beach right now, you feel me? We about to go get lit at the beach. I'm gonna catch you niggas when I get at the beach, you feel me? I'm about to drive right now, let's fucking get it. Alright, so you know, we're at the beach right now. We're at the beach. Full sand, boys. While we're at the beach, it's a fucking Lamborghini, you feel me? Yo, yeah. Full sand, bro. Full sand.
Yo, let me get a little bit, bro.
Full sand?
But when you full sand, you gotta do some shit. No, you cannot record us because we have our own vlog. Stop. You YouTuber. Stop it.
I got more subscribers.
Stop it.
I got more subscribers.
No, you don't. How much you have? How much you have?
Go check out that. Go check out that. Full sand, nigga. Full sand.
You wanna put me in there? You better pay me, nigga.
Sorry.
You gotta send the whole shit. Send Jaegers. Jaegers, yo. Full send it, bro. Full send. Full send it.
Full
Smash a
sand.
couple dirties later. Yeah. Right. Full send. Oh yeah. Try that one. Try that one. I was like kind of like lotion on me.
What you say?
I need some lotion, my nigga. You feel me?
Let them know. You already know, we at the beach right now, you feel me? We at the beach, you feel me? We at the beach.
Don't listen to this nigga. Go subscribe to our channel, nigga.
Don't listen to these niggas.
Shady Boys TV, nigga.
City boys, you feel
Me
me?
looking kind of rough, but it's alright, nigga.
Good
I'll
enough.
still steal your bitch.
Bro, where's your chair?
So my boy about to get dubbed. Like, he just got dubbed, pretty much. She's walking away. Oh. Never mind.
You still want these things? Nigga, no, you already ate them, but I want them.
Oh shit. Yo, this nigga asked her for her snap right in front of her boyfriend. Look, he turned around, he's mad. Oh shit, this nigga's walking away.
She said she didn't have a boyfriend.
You're down. You are down? She busts down like a Tatiana?
Nah, I only give her the double twist tongue action, you know what I'm saying?
You're back.
Yeah, I'm back. Took a while.
Did you get any
What was the
action?
friend?
Huh?
Any action?
Barely.
Any kissing?
What was the
Yeah, I'm not leaving.
Any touchy feely?
The blicky. Oh yeah.
You got that little
22 G's, nigga.
Alright, threesome? No.
Threesome?
The other white bitch. No. Where was she?
Yo, where do you guys get the Doritos?
Me, nigga. I don't know what he said. Oh, fuck. This thing's recording.
So, right now, we're at a fucking pizza place, you feel me? But, cause niggas is hungry after the pizza. Type shit. But I'm about to get some this. Nah, I can't even say that shit, but.
Nigga said I just want to say, man, I gotta be fast.
Hell yeah.
Do that. That's just weekend.
We walking down this long ass street, you feel me?
I gotta buy a mic.
This long ass, I know, I need a mic, crazy.
I got a mic too.
But yeah,
they're
this
mad expensive.
This long ass street, you feel me? This where the fucking things be happening. Matter of fact, bro, this shit is looking kinda. Nah, not in there. There's a casino and everything. And the beach is over there, man. But I left the beach, I'm not at the beach right now. Alright, while I'm walking down the street, I forgot this shit was here, but nigga got a whole concert around here for white people. This and that. Oh yeah. And there's an arcade right here. But we lit though, we lit. There's a whole arcade section in there. This right here.